Here we go. I'm gonna do one of these draft your photographs. Oh yeah, before I do that, we'll roll to see which pictures we're gonna do. Okay. Oh, seams are on that side. We went the seam side. Here we go. We need 7 of them. Box number 2. 1, 2. Oh, cool. I can take these right now. Well, I'll tell you what. We'll wait till we get to 8. 1, 2. I'll just roll it all. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 12. Numbers are left. We have, looks like 2 and 10. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty. Now we're going to roll the die to see how many times we click the randomizer. 2. 2 clicks. Here we go. Once. Twice. Cisco got #1 pick. Cisco, Colt, Justin, Logan, Donald, Split It In, and Sharks. Oh, Sharks wasn't here too. Sharks, I was asking for you. See if you're here. They said just go ahead and draft for you. Sorry, man. Well, by default, I guess you'll get the 7th one. But we've seen some of these cases where 7 or 8 or 9 of the pictures are actually really, really nice. So maybe we rolled the die and got the top 7 ones from the case. It could have happened.
Brett Doss.
Who?
Brett Doss. Was he the DUS?
Oh yeah, DUS. And oh, what's up, man? All right. See you, man. Cisco will get his pick of the litter. Congratulations, Cisco. Andrew Lincoln. Oh, Walking Dead. Andrew Lincoln. Walking Dead autograph. There you go. Round 2 will be Lee Majors, $6 million dude. Lee Majors. I used to watch that show when I was a child. $6 Million Man.
I didn't know until yesterday that they and Fawcett were married. I never knew that.
They were the hot couple in the 80s.
I thought she was married to, what's his name?
Next, Tony. Oh, that's a good picture.
Mm-hmm.
Tony Hawk. He's catching, looks like about 7.5, maybe 8 feet of air there. There you go. Tony Hawk. Good autograph, too. Best ramp skater of all time. Well, some might argue that, but he was good. He was decent. His son's like one of the best street skaters, from my understanding. Next. George. Huh, there's Slick George. There's George all cleaned up.
He looks alright in that picture.
Is that a movie or is that just him at a
No, it's gotta be from
White House dinner? Oh, he's sitting in front of a slot machine. That must be Ocean's 11.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. One of those.
There's Nichols down there. He's playing nickel slots. Yeah, that pile of nickels. He's sitting there playing nickel slots. That's back when you could actually put money in the machine. Nowadays you can't do that. I mean, you could actually put coins and get coins back. Those days are over. Shwing! Dang, we pulled this one. Tim Curry. I was saying, I'm actually a fan, but I could not take the picture when it was my turn due to that. His legs are too hairy. I'm actually a fan of that movie, though. Rocky Horror Picture Show.
But babe, they look like mine.
They do look just like Myra's legs. Shave every once in a while. Tim Curry. Next. Swing.
Oh,
Ralph Fiennes.
Rafe.
Why does it say Ralph?
He pronounces it Rafe.
But it's spelled that way?
Yes.
I thought I'd heard of the
100% Rafe Fiennes.
Ray Fiennes. Doesn't make any sense.
He's not a bad looking dude either.
Ray Fiennes.
He's in one of my favorite movies, The End of the Affair.
Alright guys, we'll finish it up. This has been a sausage fest. Have we had one lady?
Well,
All sausages. Daddy, would you like some sausage?
Tim Curry's in the buddy.
Oh yeah, Tim Curry's as close as the lady as you'll get in this one. Maybe there's one here. Oh, Annette Bening and Warren Beatty.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. Never pulled their autographs. Annette Bening and Warren Beatty, dual autograph. Warren Beatty hooked up with everyone in Hollywood twice.
Yes.
Not once, but twice.
He's still alive, too.
Lemieux put 6 3/4 sausages. Alright. That's it. Cisco gets first pick. See you guys.